What I'm seeing up here, I don't know if you can see it, there are a lot of frames up here. These all seem to be in different stages of repair. I'd imagine that these have just come in and these have been...
These bikes are in the second phase of the process, so they've been sorted, and that is bikes, as you can see, they've still got their nappies on, where the bike is come out of the curing process and is ready to profile back. This one has been cured. You can see how...
Oh wow, so you can really see the repair. And this is quite obvious when I run my finger over it, that there has been a lot of kind of material added here in the wrap.
It allows us to produce enough material thickness so that we don't have to go back and replace material because there might be a dip in the construction of that. So that's where we want to end up to.
Okay, so, oh wow, so you can see the difference. You can see it's such a bump, and then that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
I can see it. I can see the repair, so my finger, like my eye, thinks that I should be able to feel it, but you just can't.
No.
Kind of, once you've got the carbon on, I take it has to be cured?
I'll show you one that's actually in the process now,
wow.
which has to come out of the oven. Yeah, it's a certain type of curing. It's not a heat cure, it's a type of infrared heating that cures the epoxy. So in 20 minutes, the bike is repaired.
Okay, this is a bit cool because we're now involving robotics in carbon repair. Matt has joined me and he's going to explain why a frame is on a jig on a table with a load of pyramids and some dots. Matt, what toys have you got here?
So we've got a very cool 3D scanner here. This is a blue IR scanner. It picks up your targets, which all the dots are, and as it fires the lasers at the surface, it gathers the data that is bounced back. If we put the bike into the robot jig, the robot can't see it until we've got a 3D image. So all of this equipment here is to get a good 3D image so that the robot can see it.
Yeah, so we say the robot is basically going to be taking an area of damage, and you guys still do the wrapping, but it will go in and take your repair and take the damaged piece back down to the perfect level, yeah?
Absolutely. So once the carbon has been repaired, you get a lump on it. We put the scanned image into the robot and say to the robot, this is how we want it to do. You've got to be very accurate with it. With the robot, we can go to an accuracy of 0.03.